What's going on, YouTube? I'm just following up on the story as it starts to finally unfold. But the Miami Police Department has finally released the name of the person who was attacked by Rudy Eugene and had almost 75 to 80% of his face torn off. He is 65-year-old homeless man Ronald Poppo. After doing some research online, Ronald Poppo is still alive, but he's in critical condition and he's still fighting for his life. The reason for the attack is still unknown, and the police are still investigating it. But I'm pretty sure within the next few days or so, as things start to develop, that they're probably going to release a statement. There is actually a picture of the aftermath of Ronald Popo's face that has been leaked on the internet and is making its rounds. This article here has the blurred version. I'm going to scroll down here in a minute to just give you guys a peek of how it looks. It's pretty bad. It's pretty horrific. So if you don't want to see the picture, right now would be a good time to turn off this video. But if you want to see the unblurred version, I was able to obtain a copy of it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my website at www.10-78.info. And no, I'm not trying to get hits for my website or wanting people to join or whatnot. It's just that's pretty much the only forum I can place the picture on. So I'm going to go ahead and disable the membership on my site for the day so people can look at the picture without going through all the red tape. But just a heads up, the picture is very, very, very graphic.